Okay, so here's my 2005 PT Cruiser. We had frost last night, so you could see the the steam off the top. It's pretty much been debadged. It's got a nice dual exhaust on it. See, the driver's door opens, and what's important is that the window goes down while opening the door. I'll start it up. It's got 169,000 kilometers. Oh, it's a JVC or something. Anyways, it's hideous. So the problem is this pin remains down, and what I'm concerned about, so it wants to. See, in the mechanism here, the window goes down and it goes up. So I'm going to be taking this door panel apart today. I'll make a short video about it, and I'll find out what goes on. So you see it's got black leather interior, heated seats, and what's nice about this one is that it's got traction control to really make the car stick when you lay on the gas. But it's a beautiful little car. I mean, I'm a Toyota Honda guy, but this car has just got something. Find out how to I'm gonna find out how to remove the door card. I believe it's just 210mm. There seems to be one more here, so I'll probably have to pop this out. And there's a screw here. So as we